The hundreds of carers in this country are held to ransom because we do something out of love. My name's Shirley Thornton, and for the last 6 years I've been a full-time carer to both my parents until my father passed away in May. So currently I just care for my mum. 2 years ago I managed to secure a home care package for both of them. It was quite a difficult route to have to go down from a personal view as well, because obviously my parents were quite adamant that they always wanted to live at home and they wanted to be independent, and they had a great apprehension about people coming into the house and strangers and how they'd interact. I have to say the social worker was very good at persuading me, saying this is the only route. It was unsustainable for me to continue doing what I had been doing. I have always said when I've had to talk about being a carer that I feel the hundreds of carers in this country are held to ransom because we do something out of love. And I think that's the biggest insult. I have said that if we dumped all our loved ones, young and old, on the doorsteps of the hospitals around this country tomorrow morning, what have the government put in place to deal with them? Because that's the reality. That's what we as family carers are doing. We're taking the pressure off them. I would have quite an annoyance, as many other people do, with the lack of sanitary products for people. Incontinence is quite something that really impedes on somebody. Nobody wants to be incontinent. And the fact that there's only an allowance of so many products per day is really an insult to people. To expect people to sit in their own urine and faeces, with an allowance of 2 pads per day, I can't even find words to describe how disgusted I am by it. She would have loved to have said, I don't want to take diuretics. I don't want to be going to the toilet. This isn't a choice that I made. It's something that's helping my condition. And by it being regulated properly, it means I can stay in my home and I'll take a bit of pressure off the hospital system. Hi, Brenda. No, thanks for getting back to me. No, unfortunately, Mum's weight has gone up by the 2 kilograms. And she's definitely presenting with the other symptoms. She hasn't slept all night. She's been sitting on the side of the bed. Well, number one, that home care and social care and all that is put back in place and it's addressed, and there's hope for the future, and there's some direction and some plan, and it's followed through. Carers need to be recognised for what they are doing, not constantly be battered down and not respected. We save the country billions. It should be rewarded. I'd like to see us, once it's recognised that we're doing a job and that we're showing initiative, which we all are, there's not one person who isn't, let it be recognised and not hold us to ransom because, as I say, we're doing something out of love and loyalty and how we were reared. Why should we be discriminated for having a good heart, really?